Part 15, exercise 1.5. So the sixth problem is f of x equal to x square minus 1. Find f composition f of x. So what is the problem given here? F is the function. It is defined with the variable x. Then f of x equal to x square minus 1 and we have to find the value for f composition f of x. So in solution, first you have to write the f composition f of x. That can be written as f of x. So first you have to substitute the value for f of x. So the f of x value is an x square minus 1. So f of x square minus 1. Again, you have to substitute the value for f of x. In f of x, wherever the x, you have to substitute the value as x square minus 1. So that can be written as x square minus 1 whole square minus 1. So it's like a formula a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here a value is an x square and b value is an 1. So instead of a you have to substitute x square. So x square whole square minus 2 into x square into 1 plus 1 square minus 1. So whenever the power a power m whole power n, then you have to multiply the powers. That is m into n. Same concept is you have to follow here. That is x square whole square. That means you have to multiply the powers. That is 2 into 2, it became 4. So x power 4. Then 2 into x square into 1, it will become 2x square. Then 1 square is 1. So here plus 1 and minus 1 are cancelled. So the final answer is an x power 4 minus 2x square. So that is the value for f composition f of x. Next subdivision 2. So for the same f of x, we have to find the value for f composition f. So already we find the value f composition f. So no need to find it again. So we can copy from here. So f composition f can be written as f composition f. So f of f composition f. So what is the value for f composition f? It is x power 4 minus 2x square. So it's look like a f of x. So in f of x, wherever x, you have to substitute the value as x power 4 minus 2x square. So x power 4 minus 2x square whole square minus 1. Again it is in the formula a minus b whole square. So here a value is an x power 4 and b value is an 2x square. Now substitute in the formula. So a square, that is x power 4 whole square. So you have to multiply the powers. So 4 into 2, 8. So it will become x power 8 minus 2 into 2. So you have to multiply the constant term first. So that is 2 into 2. It will become 4. Then you will have x power 4 into x square. So whenever you have the same base, then you can add the powers. So what is the power here? The power is in 4 and 2. So it can be x to the power of 4 plus 2. That is x power 6. So here you have to write it as x power 6. Then plus 2x 2 into x square whole square. So 2 square value is an 4, x square into square, that is x power 4 minus 1. So that is the f composition f values. Next one is an question number 7. If f is the function from R to R and g is the function from R to R defined by f of x equal to x power 5 and g of x equal to x power 4, then check if f and g are 1 to 1 and f composition g is 1 to 1. So what is the problem given here? The problem given here is an two function, one is a function f and another one is a function g. So these two functions are mapped from the real number to real number. That means these two functions are real valued functions. Then f of x value is given as x power 5 and g of x value is given as x power 4. So then we have to check three conditions. What is the first condition? You have to check f is a 1 to 1 or not. Second condition is g is 1 to 1 or not. And third condition is f composition g is 1 to 1 or not. So what is the 1 to 1? So 1 to 1 means a distinct element should have distinct images. Then we said the function is a 1 to 1 function. So we will check whether f is a 1 to 1 or not. That is the first one. So first you have to write f of x equal to x power 5. So here f is the function defined from r to r. So that is the real number to real numbers. So the real numbers contain both positive values, negative values, 0. So it will include rational numbers also. So here I choose one positive numbers and one negative numbers. So first I substitute x value as 1. So f of 1. So f of 1 equal to. So wherever x I have to substitute the value as 1. So it will be 1 to the power of 5. So 1 to the power of any value we get the answer as 1. So here the answer is 1. Next, I choose one negative values, that is x equal to minus 1. So wherever x you have to substitute as minus 1. So that is f of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 5. So minus 1 whole to the power of even numbers. What is the even number? 2, 4, 6, 8. So these are all the even numbers. So that is minus 1 whole to the power of even number. Then I get the answer as 1. So for example, minus 1 whole square. Here 2 is the even number. That can be written as minus 1 into minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1. So minus into minus it will become positive. 1 into 1, 1. So I get the answer as 1. So minus 1 whole to the power of even number, the answer is 1. Next one is minus 1 whole to the power of odd. So odd means it will be 3, 5, 7, 9, 13, 11. So like that. So if minus 1 whole to the power of odd number, then the answer is minus 1. So for example, minus 1 whole to the power of 3. So it can be written as minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So minus into minus it will become plus. So plus 1. Plus into minus it will become minus 1. So the answer is minus 1. So here you have to use the formula minus 1 whole to the power of odd number, because 5 is a odd number. So the answer is minus 1. So now you can map. So here 1 is mapped to 1. And minus 1 is mapped to minus 1. That means two distinct elements having the two distinct images. So that f is a 1 to 1 function. Next one is g of x. We have to say g of x, g is a 1 to 1 or not. We will check now. G of x equal to x power 4. So here g is also a function from r to r. So here also the real number. First I took one positive values. Next I will took one negative values. So here first I take x equal to 1. So that means g of 1. So wherever x I have to substitute 1. So that is 1 to the power of 4. So 1 to the power of any number, it may be an odd number or even number, the answer should be 1. So I get the answer as 1. Next, x equal to minus 1. Now I substitute the negative values. So g of minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 4. So minus 1 whole to the power of even number, the answer is 1. So here 4 is the even number. So the answer is 1. Now you can map it up. 1 is mapped to 1. Again, minus 1 is also mapped to 1. So, the two distinct elements are mapped to same element. So, it is not a 1 to 1 function. So, therefore, G is not 1 to 1 functions. So next you have to check the third condition. What is the third condition? F composition G is 1 to 1 or not. We have to check. So how can you write F composition G of X? That can be written as F of G of X. First you have to substitute the value for G of X. What is the value for G of X? It is x power 4. So F of x power 4. So now you have to substitute the f of x values. In f of x, wherever x, you have to substitute the value as x power 4. So x power 4 whole to the power of 5. So a power m whole to the power of n equal to a power m into n. So that is 4 into 5, which is equal to x power 20. So now substitute x equal to 1. So that means 1 to the power of 20. So 1 to the power of 20, that is 1 to the power of any number. It may be an odd number or even number. The answer should be the 1. So I will get the answer as 1. If I substitute x equal to minus 1, then what you will get? X to the power of 20, that is minus 1 whole to the power of 20. So 20 is a even number. So that means minus 1 whole to the power of even number is a 1. So here also I get the answer as 1. So that means if now you will map it. 1 is mapped to 1. And minus 1 is also mapped to 1. So that is two distinct elements are mapped to the same element 1. So therefore f composition G is not 1 to 1 function. Next one is question number 8. Consider the function f of x, g of x, h of x as given below. Show that f composition G composition h equal to f composition G composition h in each cases. Subdivision 1, f of x equal to x minus 1, g of x equal to 3x plus 1 and h of x equal to x square. So what is the problem given here? F of x, g of x, h of x value is given. We are using that value, so you have to show that f composition G composition h equal to f composition G composition h. So very first I will write what is given in the problem, that is f of x value, g of x value and h of x values. To show that I will write first LHS. What is in the LHS? It is f composition G composition h. So first I have to write within a bracket what is it. So that is f composition G. So f composition G can be written as f of g of x. So first you have to substitute the value for g of x. So the g of x value is 3x plus 1. So f of 3x plus 1. So now you have to substitute the f of x values. In f of x, wherever x, you have to substitute the value as 3x plus 1. So that can be written as 3x plus 1 minus 1. So plus 1 and minus 1 are cancelled. So the answer is 3x. Next, you have to show f composition G composition h. So that can be written as f composition G h of x. So what is the h of x value? It is x square. So instead of h of x, you have to write x square. So f composition G of x square. So what is the value for f composition G? F composition value is 3x. So wherever x, you have to substitute x square. So it can be written as 3x square. So the LHS is 3x square. So that can be taken as equation 1. Next you have to find the value for RHS, that is f composition G composition h. So here also first you have to take the values inside the bracket, that is G composition h. So that can be written as g of h of x. So first you have to substitute the value for h of x. H of x value is x square. So g of x square. In g of x, wherever x, you have to substitute the value as x square. That can be 3 into x square plus 1 minus 1. So plus 1 and minus 1 are cancelled. So you will get the answer as 3x square. That can be taken as equation 2. So from 1 and 2. So LHS is also 3x square. RHS is also 3x square. So LHS equal to RHS. It is verified. Therefore, F composition G composition H equal to F composition G composition H. Next one is f of x equal to x square and g of x equal to 2x and h of x equal to x plus 4. Show that f composition g composition h equal to f composition g composition h. So same concept here. So first you have to write whatever given in the problems. Then you have to take the LHS. So what is the LHS? It is F composition G composition H. So first we have to find the value for inside the bracket. So what is inside the bracket? It is F composition G. So that can be written as F of G of X. So first you have to substitute the value for G of X. So the G of X value is an 2x. So F of 2x. Next, wherever x in f of x you have to substitute as 2x. So that can be written as 2x whole square. So 2x whole square is an 2 into 2, 4, x into x, x square. The answer is an 4x square. Next, f composition g composition h. So already we find the value for f composition g. You have to write as it is. Then composition h can be written as h of x. So the value for h of x is an x plus 4. So that can be written as f composition g of x plus 4. So in f composition g, wherever x you have to substitute the value as x plus 4. So that means 4 into x plus 4 whole square. So it like a formula a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is an a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a value is x and b value is 4. So 4 into 4x square plus 8x plus 16. So now you have to multiply each and every term with 4. So that is 4x square plus 4 into 8, 32x plus 16 into 4, that is 64. So this will be written as a equation 1. So the LHS value is an equation 1. Next, RHS value. So what is an RHS? F composition G composition H. So first you have to find the values inside the bracket. So what is inside the bracket? That is G composition H. So that can be written as G of H of X. So h of x value is an x plus 4. So now g of x plus 4. In g of x, wherever x you have to substitute the value as x plus 4. That can be written as 2 into x plus 4. So first 2 is multiplied with x. So the value is an 2x. Again 2 is multiplied with 4. The value is an 8. So the answer is an 2x plus 8. So next you have to find F composition G composition H. So that can be written as F of G composition X. So what is the value for G composition X? That is 2x plus 8. So F of 2x plus 8. In F of x, wherever x you have to substitute the value as 2x plus 8. So 2x plus 8 whole square. Again it like a formula a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a value is an 2x and b value is an 8. So now substitute the formula 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 8 plus 8 whole square. So the answer is an 4x square plus 32x plus 64. Both equation 1 and 2 are equal. That means LHS equal to RHS. So F composition G composition H equal to F composition G composition H. It is proved. Next, subdivision 3. F of x equal to x minus 4 and g of x equal to x square, h of x equal to 3x minus 5. Show that F composition G composition h equal to F composition G composition h. So very first you have to write the LHS. What is the LHS? F composition G composition H. Very first you have to find the values inside the bracket. So F composition G equal to F of G of x. Instead of G of x, you have to substitute the value as x square. So that can be written as F of x square. Now wherever in F of x, wherever x, you have to substitute the value as x square. So that can be written as x square minus 4. Next you have to find the value for F composition G composition H. So F composition G composition H can be written as h of x. What is the value for h of x? It is 3x minus 5. 5. So F composition G 3x minus 5. In F composition G, wherever x, you have to substitute the value as 3x minus 5. So it will become 3x minus 5 whole square minus 4. So it is like a formula a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula is an a square minus 2ab plus b square. So what is the value for a here? The value for a is an 3x and the value for b is an 5. So 3x whole square minus 2 into 3x into 5 plus 5 square. So it can be 9x square minus 30x plus 25. So already we have minus 4. That can be written as minus 4. So 25 minus 4, the answer is 21. So 9x square minus 30x plus 21. That is the equation 1, LHS value. Now you have to find the RHS. So what is the RHS? F composition G composition X. That means you have to find the value for G composition X. G composition X can be written as G of H of X. First you have to substitute the value for H of X. H of X is an 3x minus 5. So G of 3x minus 5. So next you have to substitute the value for G of X. In G of X, wherever X, you have to substitute as 3x minus 5. So 3x minus 5 whole square. So it is again, it is same as a minus b whole square formula. So a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Again here a value is an 3x and b value is a 5. So 3x whole square is an 9x square minus 2 into 3x into 5, that is 30x, then 5 square is a 25. So G of x equal to G composition H equal to 9x square minus 30x plus 25. So next you have to find the value for F composition G composition X. That can be written as F of G composition X. What is the value for G composition X? That is 9x square minus 30x plus 25. So now in F of x, wherever x, you have to substitute the value as 9x square minus 30x plus 25 minus 4. So 25 minus 4 is an 21. So that answer is an 9x square minus 30x plus 21. So equation 1 and 2 are equal. So LHS equal to RHS. Therefore F composition G composition H equal to F composition G composition H. Next one is question number 9. Let f equal to set of all minus 1, 3, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 9 be a linear function from z into z. Find f of x. So what is the problem given here? F is the function, that is the linear functions. Linear function means it is a straight line. So what is the formula for linear function? F of x equal to ax plus b, and one condition is there, a is not equal to 0. And here the function is defined as the order pair. Here the first element is a x value and the second element in the order pair is an f of x value. That means minus 1 is a x and 3 is a f of x, 0 is a x, minus 1 is a f of x, 2 is a x, then minus 9 is a f of x. So the function is mapped from z into z. What is the z? Z is a integers. So the integer contains a negative number as well as positive numbers with zeros. Then you have to find the value for f of x. So f of x means the f of x value is given as 3 minus 1 minus 9, but the operation is not given. What is the operation that is performed to find the answer for f of x? That is not given. So we have to find the value for f of x, that is the operation for f of x. So for that, first we will write f equal to, so what is given in here? Order pair minus 1, 3, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 9. So that is given in the problem. Next, if x is equal to minus 1, then f of minus 1 equal to 3. So that is given in the problem. If x is equal to 0, then f of 0 equal to minus 1. That is also given. So if x is equal to 2, then f of x is equal to minus 9. So that is also given given. So this function is a linear function. So what is the formula for linear function? Ax plus b, and the condition is an a is not equal to 0. So first I will substitute x equal to minus 1. Then f of minus 1 equal to. So wherever x I have to substitute the value as minus 1. So a into minus 1. The answer is minus a plus b. So which is equal to, already I know what is the f of minus 1 value? 3. So I can write here as a 3. So minus a plus b equal to 3. That is equation 2. So next I have to substitute the value of x equal to 0. That is f of 0 equal to. So in f of x, wherever x I have to substitute the value as 0. So that is a into 0 plus b. So anything multiplied with 0, the answer is an 0. So 0 plus b, that is equal to b. Already I know the value for f of 0. F of 0 value is an minus 1. So I can write here b equal to minus 1. Now substitute the value of b in equation 2. What is in equation 2? Minus a plus b equal to 3. So instead of b I have to substitute the value minus 1. So minus a minus 1 equal to 3. So I have to bring the minus 1 to the RHS. So in LHS it is minus 1. Whenever it come to the RHS it became plus 1. So minus a equal to 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 1. So that is minus a equal to 4. That is a equal to minus 4. So now substitute this in equation 1. What is in equation 1? F of x equal to a into, instead of a you have to substitute minus 4. So minus 4x plus instead of b you have to substitute minus 1. So minus 4x minus 1. So that is the linear equation. So that is the value for f of x. Next one is question number 10. In electrical circuit theory, a circuit C of t is called a linear circuit if it satisfies the superposition principle given by C of at1 plus bt2 equal to a into C of t1 plus b into C of t2, where a comma b are constant. Show that the circuit C of t equal to 3t is linear. So what is the problem given here? So there is one electrical circuit. In that electrical circuit, if it satisfies the principle C of at1 plus bt2 equal to a into C of t1 plus b into C of t2, then we said that the electrical circuit is a linear circuit. Then we have to show that the circuit C of t equal to 3t and it is a linear. So for showing that, first I have to say that is C of at1 plus bt2 equal to a into C of t1 plus b into C of t2. This condition is true. If this condition is true, automatically what will happen? C of t is a linear function. So it is already given in the problem. So we can easily say that C of t is a linear function. Okay. First, you have to write what is given. So what is given here? C of t equal to 3t is given. What I have to prove? That C of t is a linear function. So that means here C is the function with the variable t. So for example, f of x equal to 3t. So first I will substitute x value as 1. What will happen? F of 1 equal to 3 into 1. That is, wherever x in f of x, I will substitute the value as 1. If I substitute x equal to 2, what will happen? F of 2 equal to 3 into 2. That is, wherever x in f of x, I will substitute 2. So same concept is used here. So C of t, that is the function which is equal to 3t with the variable t. Then if I substitute t equal to at1. So why I substitute here at1? Because I have to show the first to prove that C of at1 plus bt2 equal to a into C of t1 plus b into C of t2. In LHS we are having a C of at1 plus bt2. So that only I am taking that t equal to at1. So t equal to at1. So in C of t, wherever t you have to substitute at1. So C of at1 equal to 3 into at1. So next I have to substitute t equal to bt2. That is C of bt2 equal to 3 into bt2. So now take the LHS. So what is an LHS? C of at1 plus b into t2. So in wherever t you have to substitute at1 plus bt2. So which is equal to 3 into at1 plus bt2. So first multiply 3 with the at1. It will become 3 into at1. Again you have to multiply 3 with the bt2. So it will become 3 into bt2. So what is the value for 3 into at1? It is C of at1. So instead of 3 into at1, I can write it as C of at1. So next, what is the value for 3 into bt2? It is C of bt2. So instead of 3 into bt2, I can write it as C of bt2. So in already they given a and b are constant. So I can take outside the constant. So it will become outside. So a into c of t1 plus b into c of t2. So it is equal to RHS. So LHS equal to RHS. That is the condition. The principle is satisfied. So we can easily say that the given function is a linear function with variable t. That is c of t equal to 3t. That is proved.